What's up, guys? This not too many people are allowed to fish. This is restricted to employees and their families only, and I fall under the family category. So I'm going to try this pond out. I've been told there's nothing big in here, but we'll see. I don't think too many people really fish it at all, so we'll see how it goes. See, first cast. It appears to be slightly dirty. I might have to put the darker color on here. All right, I just put on the loon because this is some dirty water. Haven't gotten a single strike. Bunch of fish swam off when the lure hit the water over there. Oh my goodness, that's a big bass. There was a huge wake. He came right out of those cattails and smoked one of the bubbles that my Whopper Plopper made. Whoa, there's a fish. Nice. I'll take it, man. Cool. Wow. I wasn't expecting that at all. He smoked it too. Awesome. It's a good 14 inches. Cool, man. I was just getting ready to pull my lure out of the water, and he just annihilated that thing. That was cool. I really was starting to like give up hope here. And he's healthy too. He's a fatty. See you, guy. Woo! He just swam up onto shore. Awesome. Figured I'd get that. I put a little bit on the lure and I just got a bite. And he wasn't bad. He's like 14 inches. That was fun. There's another one. There's another one right there. Whoa, he's better. He's better. He's better. Up you come. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's like 17 inches. It's a good largemouth. He just hit in the exact same spot as that other fish did. That's awesome. Ooh, yeah, he's a lively one. He swam on shore too. Go the other way, dude. Hey, he keeps trying to swim back to shore. Wow, that is cool. 2 in a row, 2 casts in a row. Holy crap. That is a water snake right there. Can you guys see that? That scared the crap out of me. It's right here. Boy. Whoa. He's big. I'm not going to screw around with him. This I don't like to see. Other fishermen leaving stuff here. Look, there's still minnows in there. Fake ones, but I don't know, come on. People that don't fish look at this crap and say, look at what that dirty fisherman just left garbage all over the place. Next to this beautiful pond, you're leaving trash like this. Let's be better than that.